A share boundlessness in a real sense shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in a sort of significant manner. The cost of a share boundlessness truly has fallen by 1.99% in the past 24 hours, showing that the cost of a share vastness certainly has fallen by 1.99% in the past 24 hours, which really is very huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it most certainly is presently $10.21. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, Axie generally has its extremely next opposition at $11.87, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. 04 August 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified pressing issues. Facts. What especially is extremely momentary cost expectation for a share vastness? Explicitly is Axie a by and large wise venture, or so they generally thought. A share vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us fundamentally to discuss the essentially current economic situations, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,169,279,238,148 in a really significant manner. The essentially absolute exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $29,024,660,437. Or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in an essentially large manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%. Further appearance how the cost of a share limitlessness basically has fallen by 1.99% in the past 24 hours, showing that the cost of a share vastness basically has fallen by 1.99% in the past 24 hours in an unpretentious way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that a share endlessness generally shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47, following a cost difference in 0.78% inside a similar time period, which by and large shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly shows that a share boundlessness basically shows negative force throughout the end of the week in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.01, and right now exchanging at 66 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that a share limitlessness truly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, which especially is genuinely huge. These occasions basically show that the market generally is going in a kind of descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that a share limitlessness support and opposition levels, and so on in and in every practical sense, huge way. Right now, and in every practical sense, general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how a share boundlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth, which for the most part is very critical. A share vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to essentially recognize commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which fundamentally shows that a share boundlessness support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner, Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers generally become commonly more most certainly dynamic and, in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in an extremely significant manner. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which vendors basically move really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that Axie especially has its really next obstruction at $11.87, which explicitly is very huge. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of a share endlessness, acts as a share limitlessness execution. The sort of day-to-day outline of a share boundlessness shows that the Axie cost truly has a by and large descending development, with a 1.99% reduction in especially beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how as far as Axie support floor, it really is presently $10.21. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, the value worth of the share boundlessness, Axie coin fundamentally is remaining at $5.74. With market capitalization $806,188,917 United States dollars, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie cost changes 5.11% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $49,733,858 United States dollars, which really is very huge. A share boundlessness value examination Axie cost investigation for 04 August 2023 inside a truly everyday time period truly made sense of beneath. So a share limitlessness value investigation Axie cost investigation for 04 August 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, which truly is very critical. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA. 2 For the most part, examine the future development of the share infinity. The share endlessness especially has by and large break all its sort of supports levels, and things especially are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, showing how a share vastness sort of shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in a truly significant manner. Presently, in a real sense, bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie cost beneath the significant help level of $10.21. Showing how we utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly basic moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to basically examine the future development of the share infinity. The share vastness by and large has especially break all its particularly upholds levels, and things especially are not